Today is Teacher's Day, Chloe.
And I got a gift for my teacher.
Huh?
I got a gift for
Yeah, but Mama got it.
Yeah.
Oh. Pares na kayong nilalag na ay inuubo. Oh, there's a lot of gift from Chloe. May bagong water bottle si Chloe.
I got a lot of gifts for my teachers.
Lahat, isa-isa. Naantok pa ako.
Hello.
Pagaling ka na, anak ko.
I do want to stay to school.
No, Papa will gonna pick you up later.
Si ate, pipick up mo?
Yeah. Ay, hindi si ate. Ikaw ba, ate?
Ako, Mama, yung usually 4 o'clock.
But Papa will gonna pick you up or no more?
Pick up, Papa.
Huh?
Hello.
Ano? Okay lang.
How will you know the time?
Sabi ko kasi sa'yo, you have to prepare every morning.
I bring my watch.
Chloe. Chloe.
There's many people.
Ngayon lang kayo na late na pumasok.
Yeah.
Usually, I'm always the second to the last.
Usually, I'm the first to second.
Sakay banda sasakay, Pot? Dito sa gawi dito.
Ano?
La. Apot ba't hindi mo naman sinara yun? Naalog eh. Ayusin mo sa pagdating doon, naaalog. Ito naman, oh.
That's okay. That's okay.
Hindi okay yun.
Saan ka, ma?
Chloe, itabing yung pagkakaipit mo ng bag mo. Ay, ng kan mo. Oh. Yeah, ayusin mo. Ayusin mo. Ayusin mo. Itapat mo kung saan dapat itatapat. Ayan yung botones na isa, oh. Ayusin mo.
Kuha ko na.